The switch lever is a linkage that connects the switch knob to the power switch. The plastic lever has the knob attached to one end, attaches to the switch on the other, and has a spring attached to it to pull the lever to the off position. Over time, the switch lever can fatigue and break. This will prevent you from turning the tool on. Replacing the switch lever is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the rear housing from the grinder. Now I can remove the switch knob. To do that, I'll push the switch lever forward while holding the knob in place so it can't move forward. After you hear it click, you can remove the knob. To remove the lever, I'll release it, pull it away from the switch, and then remove it from the grinder. Now I can install the new lever. I'll need to transfer the spring from the old lever to the new. I'll use a screwdriver to pull the spring away from the lever and transfer it to the new one. Now I can insert the new lever back into the grinder. I'll turn it over so the spring is facing down against the grinder, slide it into the housing, and over the switch. Now I'll reinstall the switch knob. Again, I'll push the switch lever forward, align the knob with the switch lever, and then release the lever so it'll snap into place on the knob. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the motor housing. And that's how you can install a new switch lever in your grinder. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.